Do you want to post as anonymous on Facebook group? You can post anonymously on Facebook group with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To post as anonymous on a Facebook group. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook, go to the group where you want to post anonymously. On the group page, tap on the Write Something field to create a new post. A new screen appears. Write your post as usual. You can add text, images, or links that you want to post anonymously. If the group supports anonymous posts, you will see a Post Anonymously option at the top of the post creation screen. Enable the toggle switch button next to Post Anonymously. A pop-up will appear explaining how anonymous posts works. Tap Got it to proceed. Remember that this option is only available if the group admin has enabled it for members. Once done, tap Post to submit it anonymously. Your post will be sent to group admins or moderators for approval. After approval, the post will appear in the group as an anonymous participant.